So let's meet our competitive birds, blue and azul. Today we'll be testing it out in a friendly basketball competition. Now that right there is blue, and let's wait for azul. That right there is azul. Now before we start this battle,
What's the
I shall
color?
be dividing you into two groups.
What's the
Now for the
color?
boys, I want to hear you cheer for
Huh?
blue. Say go blue, go blue. Very good energy from the boys. Now for the girls, I want to hear you cheer for azul. Say go azul, go azul. From energy from the girls. Now guys, are you ready for the basketball game?
Baskets in the
Come on, energy. Are you guys ready? Very good. Birds
Baskets in
ready.
the beat.
Trainers ready. Set.
They're
Go.
playing basket. The bird is
Let's
playing
see who will win
basket.
this game. Here we have blue with his first ball, followed by azul. Second ball for blue, second ball for azul, and blue wins this game. That's all right, azul. So trainer Nix, you lost this game. What can you say?
Are you sure? That's the only Azul today.
My mind.
Well, this time I guarantee you Azul and I will win.
Pretty confident, I must say.
So what race do you have in mind?
So what game trainer you got?
Let's do a ring race.
Well, ring race, explain to us what is a ring race.
It's the first word. We drop all three rings into the pole. The fastest is the winner. That is a ring race.
Okay, so a ring race it shall be. So remember, boys already got 1 point, so let's cheer louder for Azul to win this time. And we're gonna do it with a ring race. Now guys, are you ready for the second round? Very good. Birds ready. Trainers ready. Set. Go! So here we have blue with his first ring. Okay, what is this? Azul grabs 3 rings at the same time. What a clever technique by the girls. Now, Trainer Kata, did you see that? 3 rings at the same time. What can you say?
Hey, what was that trainer? Next, you guys cheated.
Oh, did you guys really cheat?
No, we didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
Is it true that the girls are wiser than the boys? Let's give a round of
Dungan
applause
yung
for
shoot ang
beautiful
tanong.
birds, blue and azul. Now guys, for this next part, I need an adult volunteer with either a 20, 50, or 100 peso bill. Again, I need an adult volunteer with either a 20, 50, or 100 peso bill. Just raise your hands and I'll choose you from amongst the crowd. Okay, you sir, come over here.
The bird playing basketball.
Guys, did you notice that most of the birds here in Sigoshi Park are parrots? That is because they're visually inclined, charismatic, colorful, and intelligent creatures. Kindly tell us your name, sir. JB. Let's give a round of applause for volunteer, Mr. JB. So I shall be inserting your money bill right here. So I have a question first here. Do you have any idea what's gonna happen next? No idea at all? What if I give you an idea, sir? Don't get spooked, sir. Huh? What if a black-tip shark will jump over the water, grab your money bill, and dive under the water? Will you be fine with that, sir? No. Oh, wala na, sir. Nakalbahan, sir. Don't worry, sir. It's just a joke. But no matter what happens, sir, do not move or swing your arm. So let's meet our money bird blue. Now our money bird blue can detect if the money is fake or not. Let's go blue. Blue flies over and grabs the money bill. What's next, blue? Blue flies back to the table and you wonder what you're gonna do with your money. And he wants to donate for 100 peso bill. Bakit sa deserve na kapatong sir?
Scam.
Are you okay with your 100 peso bill, sir? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. So what if we do a second round, sir? What if 500 peso bill this time for number 2,000? Actually, sir, yes, sir. It's just a joke. We shall return the money. But first, we shall have a photo souvenir with our lovely bird, Blue. Just follow Trainer Kappa's instruction. For Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So smile and wave. You can do your best pose with our bunny bird. Let's give a round of applause for what's here in our bunny bird.
Yung sa bird? Ha?
Ay, nakalimot ko. Ningon dito siya. Ang mga pictures gani ba? Makita. Makita to mga pictures gani. Ang mga pictures gani ba? Ang pipicturean ta tong photographer. Makita to sa screen dito sa mga tablet dito sa set.
Beautiful blue and gold called Goldie. So you can have a close and personal interaction with these lovely birds. So guys, just a friendly reminder though, if our trainers with the birds go near you, please not try to reach or touch our birds. Once again, please not try to reach or touch our birds because they might get frightened or fly away. Thank you. So let's wait for our birds.
So many birds. The red one.
It's beautiful, right?
So this is our Eventus Tyrant Red. That over there is a green wing called Bandit. And this is our blue and gold